Welcome to Plant Operations Mastery. In this video, we will dive into the 5S method, one of the most effective tools in lean manufacturing used worldwide to improve workplace organization and productivity. What is 5S? 5S is a structured system that originated in Japan. It stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. By following these 5 steps, workplace can eliminate waste, improve safety, and boost efficiency. Sort. The first step is sort. Remove everything unnecessary from the workplace. Keep only what is required for daily operations. Set in order. Next step comes set in order. Here, every tool and material has a defined place. This idea is simple: a place for everything and everything in its place. This saves time and reduces frustration. Shine. The third step is shine. This means cleaning the workplace and keeping it tidy. A clean environment helps detect problems early, like leaks or wear, and improves safety for everyone. Standardize. After sort, set in order, and shine are implemented, the next step is standardize. This means creating rules, checklists, and visual controls so everyone follows the same best practices. It ensures consistency across the workplace. Sustain. The last step is sustain. This is about discipline, making 5S a daily habit. Regular training, audits, and leadership support ensures that the improvements last. Benefits of 5S. When fully implemented, 5S brings powerful benefits. It reduces waste, improves efficiency, ensures workplace safety, and creates a culture of continuous improvement. That's why many world class companies start their lean journey with 5S. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Plant Operations Mastery. For more insight on Lean, Kaizen, and operational excellence, and tell us in the comments which step of 5S do you find most challenging in your workplace.